loser!
Rob, that was fucking disgusting.
How? And what the fuck are you doing here? Maybe if you'd shut the fuck up, everybody. Yo, shut the fuck up real quick and listen. There's a spooky party on that fucking hill. Spooky party on the fucking hill. Let's fucking go. Hey, freaks! What you got there? What the fuck? Oh, so like that wasn't a dream? Boy's a fucking pussy. Shut the fuck up before I rip your hands off. I fucking hate you, and I hate making these episodes. You guys suck, and I hate.
Wait, like, as your boyfriend, you need to
Shut the fuck up. We are literally not dating. I hate everybody, and I hate gay people, and I hate it here, and I hate you too, and I hope you die.
So, did you know it's Spooky Month? Oh god, he has a knife. Where is it? Oh my god, yes, lemon. Oh shit. What are you gonna do? Season me.
Words like violence break the silence, come crashing into my little world. Painful to me, it's right through me. Can't you understand? Oh, my little girl. All I ever wanted, all I ever needed is here in my arms.
Give me a big boy. It's season and all the girls are leaving to get a big boy. I need a big boy. I want a big boy. I need a big.
Şimdi buna dur diyemezsin. Sözlerin, gözlerin, ellerin yok.
What are you gonna do? Season me!
Sick of seeing all these sinister faces. Why am I working for minimum wage? If I could be killed, they should give me a raise. Why did they hire me? This is insane. Enjoy your final nights. Kick back and grab a slice. If you get hurt on the job, we cannot cover your loss. Get to 6 and you'll be fine.
Who is it? I'm probably just the handyman here to fix up bocce balls.
It's cuffing season and all the girls be needing. Need a big boy. I want a big boy. Give me a big boy.
Come on, go away. What can I get for you, ma'am? Not you. She did not fucking do that. I'm gonna fucking snap her neck off, this bitch. Get me one of everything and double it. We need to get 2 of everything. Alright. And hurry up! This motherfucking bitch ain't gonna yield it. What? Thank God she finally left. Oh my God. Oh, no. You are not coming in. Now get the fuck out, you 2 little bitches. The fuck what did we do, huh? You 2 little motherfuckers always bring me trouble.
Why did we do that?
I have nightmares about you. You bring me sugar, and yeah, I got almost killed above your doll, and you spilled blood all over the place that I had to clean up all fucking day. What is your problem? It was fake blood. Like, what the fuck? Fake or not, you 2 always bring me trouble. You know that? See? That is fucking trouble. Shit. Kids, why is this fat bitch following you?
I don't know. He maybe wants candy cane. Like, I don't know.
Help me. I quit. Oh no, don't you leave, you bitch ass motherfucker. Oh my god. Yes. Ha, pro move. What did you think that was gonna do, bitches? Well, that was embarrassing. No, candy. Kids, outside, right fucking now. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna shit. Where's the bathroom? Where's the fucking bathroom? Yes! Oh my god! No toilet paper! Hey bro, you gay ass bitch, don't you know?
Hey, Kevin, we're sorry about that. We didn't know he was gonna come here with us.
Here! Eat that up! Leave!
Thank you, Kevin.
So you deal with this shit every day? Kinda. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck is wrong with you? Like, wait, are you gonna kill us? The fuck? No, I was gonna tell you that kids are stealing candy. Oh shit.
Hey mom, I just got attacked by 2 grizzly bears, a dinosaur, and 3 alligators. And they took my shoes.
Nah.
Maybe if you wasn't on that damn phone, this would've never happened in the first place.
Nah, shit, tripping.
Mom, what my phone gotta do with anything? So you're not gonna help me out? Nope.
Oh.
Alright, doctor, any good news? I'm actually very sorry to inform you, but it looks like he has a severe kidney disease. He's got about 2 days left to live. Well, actually, he might not even make it those 2 days.
Nah.
Oh my god, my son. You know, he shouldn't have been on that damn phone. Oh my god. Sir, can you please get her out of here? Ma'am, can you please leave?
Nah, I can't even die in peace.
She blamed everything on my cell phone. That's crazy.
Começou a chover e a molhar e a escurecer. O sol mediu a lua em casa e a lua disse não sei me dá tempo. O sol mediu a lua em casa e a lua disse não sei me dá tempo.
This girl, so look at her jean shorts. Look at my jean shorts. Hey, Maddie, you copied me with your jean shorts. Change your clothes now. Now! This is my avatar.
She gonna suck me in, please.
Would you kids help a poor, lonely candy dealer? What are you gonna do? Season me!
Cold hands are often a sign that your body is trying to maintain its regular body temperature. Always having cold hands, however,
Bam, bam, so wham! Bam, bam, it's it, ow, ow! Bam, bam, so wham! Bam, bam, it's it, tight, ow! Alright, time, work, time, work!
What are you?
Make me say, "Mama, I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and 6'4" apart. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good, I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and 6'4" apart.
Hey, Papyrus, I burnt the water.
Sans, how the f did you burn the water?
I don't know, bro. It just caught on fire.
Sans, oh my god! The house is on fire!
I'm sorry, I can't cook!
Fuck!